Experiencing connectivity problems with your YouView box? The most common culprit is actually your Ethernet connection. Let's systematically diagnose and resolve these issues step by step. Step 1. Check your Ethernet cable. Faulty cables are responsible for the majority of YouView connectivity problems. Look for physical damage, bent connectors, or loose connections. If your cable shows any signs of damage, replace it immediately. Use a Cat5e or Cat6 cable for optimal performance. These newer cable standards provide better signal integrity and are specifically recommended for YouView boxes. Step 2. Ensure secure connections at both ends. The cable must be firmly plugged into your YouView box and your router. You should hear a click when the connector locks into place properly. Step 3. Try different router ports. Sometimes individual ports can fail or have compatibility issues. Switch your Ethernet cable to another available port on your router to test if this resolves the connection problem. Step 4. Check your YouView network settings. Access the settings menu and look for error messages like network not connected or signs of intermittent connectivity drops. These indicators help pinpoint the exact nature of your connection problem. Step 5. Configure speed and duplex settings. If you're comfortable with router configuration, verify that the port settings are set to auto-negotiate or manually configure them to 100 megabits per second full duplex. This resolves compatibility issues with older YouView models. These troubleshooting steps address the majority of Ethernet-related connectivity problems with YouView boxes as of 2025, including popular models like the Humax DTR T2100 and BT Pro box. Following this systematic approach will resolve most connection issues you encounter. When your Ethernet connection appears fine, but your YouView box still cannot connect to the internet, the problem often lies in IP configuration. Understanding how your device gets its network address is crucial for resolving these connectivity issues. YouView boxes typically use DHCP, where your router automatically assigns an IP address. This is convenient but can sometimes fail. The alternative is static IP configuration, where you manually set the network parameters. In a DHCP setup, your router maintains a pool of available IP addresses and automatically assigns them to devices like your YouView box when they connect to the network. DHCP can fail due to several issues. IP address conflicts occur when two devices try to use the same address, pool exhaustion happens when all available addresses are used, and short lease times can cause frequent disconnections. Before switching to static IP, try restarting both your YouView box and router. This simple step resolves many DHCP-related issues by clearing temporary network conflicts and refreshing IP assignments. If restarting doesn't work, configure a static IP address. In your YouView box network settings, manually enter an IP address outside your router's DHCP range, typically 192.168.1.10. Set the subnet mask to 255.255.255.0 and the gateway to your router's IP address. For DNS servers, use Google's reliable public DNS, 8.8.88 as primary and 8.8.4.4 as secondary. These servers provide fast and reliable domain name resolution for your YouView services. DNS configuration is crucial because it allows your YouView box to find and connect to streaming services, program guides, and software update servers using their domain names rather than complex IP addresses. As of 2025, manually configuring static IP settings often resolves connectivity issues, especially after events like BT fiber upgrades that may affect IPv6 configurations. This approach provides a stable, reliable connection for your YouView box. Remember, when DHCP fails, switching to static IP configuration with the correct network parameters typically resolves IP-related connectivity problems and provides a more stable connection for your YouView services.